back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be creating this nice green eyeshadow look. I do have foundation on this side of my face, none on this side. I am going to go ahead and complete my entire face with you guys, but I just really wanted to step it up a little bit, that way this video won't be so long. So if you guys have any questions on any products or anything, of course feel free to let me know, but let's go ahead and get started.
So to start off, I am going to start by concealing my eyelids and blending it with my beauty blender. That way the color can be nice and pigmented. And I used the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Then I went ahead and used my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to start off by using this color green and focusing that color on the crease. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply several layers, that way it can be nice and pigmented. As you can see, I did apply several layers. I'm going to go ahead and put on some tape to create a very fine crease. I'm going to be using this turquoise color, applying it to the bottom, applying it to the top of this yellow color, and I'm just going to focus that on the crease as well. I did go in several times to make that color a lot more intense. Then I'm going to go ahead and get my Subculture palette, get the dark green, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the inner corner and the outer corner, but I'm going to go ahead and leave the middle with no color because we are going to be creating a halo look today. I'm going to be getting my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer again, and I'm going to be filling in the middle of my eyelid where I did not apply eyeshadow, and I'm just going to go ahead and create that halo. And so the concealer is going to give the shimmery pigmentation more density. And so this shimmery green that I'm putting on right now was given to me by my sister. I believe she got it in her Ipsy bag. I will be putting the name in the description box below, that way you guys can check it out. But this green is so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and apply some more green. That way the colors blend in nicely. I'm just going to go ahead and blend out. That way all the colors are nice and blended. Taking off the tape now, I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a winged eyeliner so I can put on my fake lashes. So as you guys may know already, the e.l.f. eyeliner is one of the cheapest ones, so it does tend to crack. So what I like to do is I like to tap some black eyeshadow on top of it. That way it'll last a little bit longer, and that way I can give it that matte look. I'm just cleaning out any fallout right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom lid, starting off with some black. And then I'm going to put in some green in my inner corner. Actually, I don't think that was black. I think that was actually the dark green that I used. Going back in with the shimmery green, I'm going to go ahead and put some highlight in my tear duct. Putting on my fake lashes. These are Ardell. And I did prep my face with some Laura Mercier primer. And for this look, I did use my MAC foundation, which honestly I am not a big fan of MAC, but I have the foundation and so might as well use it, right? And so obviously, since I'm not a big fan of MAC foundation, I did go ahead and go in with another layer of foundation because I don't think it is such a great coverage. Thank you guys so much for being patient with me. I am not an expert at voiceovers, but it is something that I definitely want to start doing, so bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and get my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer again and highlight the bottom of my eyes, the forehead, and the chin. I like to use this angled brush from Econo Tools and just blend it out. And so I like to blend it outward. I just feel like it gives a more highlighted illusion when you blend it outward. Now I'm just getting my little blending brush, smoking everything out from the bottom. Using my Laura Mercier again, baking the bottom of my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. Then I went ahead and used my Jordana bronzer stick, and I am just blending everything out right now. I'm going to be using this beautiful purpley blush, which is one of my favorite ones from the holiday kit from Too Faced. Then I'm going to be using my Becca highlighter, which obviously, as you saw, was broken. Super sad moment. As soon as I stepped out of Sephora, I dropped it, but I am still using it, so fixing my lips with the Jordana lip liner. I'm using this matte lipstick from Too Faced. Now I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills to do my eyebrows. And so you guys know I start off by outlining my eyebrows, and then I end up filling them in. So you really want to have a clear vision of what your eyebrows are going to look like. And so finally, when I have the outline, I just go ahead and fill it in. Using the spoolie to make sure that all the product is nice and even. And I like to really blend out the corner to make sure that it's nice and faded. Now I'm going to be using my concealer again from MAC. And I'm going to go ahead and outline my eyebrows to make them a little bit more sharper. So this really cleans up your eyebrows if you made any mistakes or anything like that. But then again, you can always skip this step if you feel like your eyebrows are nice and clean. Just blending everything out right now. And so there we have it. So that's pretty much it.
Okay, so that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful green makeup. I think it's beautiful and I really wanted to create something different, and so I decided to do a halo green eyeshadow. And so I really like it. Like, check out that highlight. Oh my goodness. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment in the description box below, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye guys.